So today is a national holiday, and even though it's a holiday, I still worked and did some editing on my previous week of vlogging, and now I'm at the graveyard because tomorrow is the 1st of November, the day when we remember our deceased, and it's also a day when Slovenians become a part of a very special competition, and that is who's gonna have the best grave. You are judged by how many flowers there is on your grave and also how many candles are lit on the 1st of November. So you can imagine how that looks like in the biggest graveyard in Ljubljana. Lots of candles, lots of flowers, lots of people. It's pretty calm today. Good morning, the holidays are over, so we are back, and I almost fell. We are back into our work week, and today I'm gonna stay at home because I have a lot of filming to do. So I think I'm gonna film about 4 videos back to back. That's why there's no makeup yet on here, and I'm also getting a little bit sick, but my voice is still okay for the time being. Hey kitty, what is it? So yeah, my voice is still quite okay, so I want to film it as fast as possible and drink as much tea as possible so I can get the shooting process over, and then I can be sick, because if I'm editing I don't have to look healthy in any way. So I need to contain my sickness for today and put a bit more makeup on myself so I don't look so sick. But yeah, I think I have a pretty good starting point. I'm probably gonna take an hour right now to do some research and to see what I'm gonna film, because I do have some ideas, but not all of them yet. So that comes first, research. 3 down, 1 more to go. We have finished with the interview. Hi. So where is this going to be published?
Actually, this is only for my professor, but I also have my own radio show, so this will be next week, or hopefully this Friday, so today.
Aha, okay. And what is the radio show called?
This show is called Shelter, so študentska študentska oddaja za vse koroške oziroma tudi za ostale študente.
So a very regional radio. Yeah. So back to the office. I hope I don't get sick any more than I am right now. I'm starting to feel worse and worse. That's why I decided that I'm gonna push through the filming of 2 of my videos and then go home and rest as much as possible, because then I'll probably be okay tomorrow. Otherwise, I'll just drag this sickness for the next 2 or 3 days. So yeah, I just finished with the filming of some table action up here, and now I'm gonna do the introduction. This is a great light. So now I'm gonna do the introduction and every other speaking part that needs my face in it. That's why I need to put my full face makeup on to hide this sick eyes and runny nose. After that I have another video for my me time project. We actually opened the me time channel as a test to see how it will develop and what the reactions will be, and we are still absolutely mind blown by the numbers on that account, especially for a Slovenian brand that I just opened the account like a month ago, and I just said, hey, there's gonna be Slovenian videos, and that's it. The numbers just gone crazy. So yeah, I'm doing onboarding as many Slovenian YouTubers as I can for that channel, so it will be like a big collaborative channel, not just my face all the time, because I can imagine that you are slowly getting sick of it. I will push through this sickness. I probably don't have fever, it's just my body fighting a flu or something. I get very sensitive to the cold air, and whenever the cold air starts to seep in, when it gets colder outside, I get this kind of a flu something, and it's really annoying. That's also why I like working from home or working for myself, because if I feel sick, I can just work 3 hours now and go home, or I can just work 8 hours today and then take 2 days off if I want to. You know, it's like I dictate how I want to do my business, and today I dictate that I film everything that I wanted to film so that all these videos can go into editing. You see, I even get out of breath by just talking and holding the camera. It's like it looks nothing, it's nothing, I just have a stuffy nose, but I can feel that my energy is like super low. So let's go do it, and let's get out of here as fast as possible after that. Bye! You put some chopped up peeled ginger in a flask. Hope you can see there's ginger inside. And then you pour over hot water. Put it all the way up to the top. Hold it like this. So this is your ginger tea. Now you add some forest fruit tea. Yeah, that's gonna give it a nice color. And then also, when this cools down a little bit, you add a juice of 1 lemon. And if you want, a little bit of tea, and you have the perfect cocktail to fight the flu.